Hello lovelies, welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Guys, we are making fish vegetable sauce. This is super, it is yummy. I can't keep it to myself alone. I have to bring it to you all, my lovelies, and you all need to try this. It is super delicious, and apart from that, it is healthy. Those are the ingredients we'll be using today. Watch this video up to the end. You're going to see all these ingredients one after the other. Okay, so guys, we don't need to talk much. Let's get it started. Yes, what you can see in my hand right now is broccoli. I know majority of you know broccoli. If you don't know broccoli, go to where you can buy your vegetables and you're going to find this. Guys, this is super healthy. So it's a broccoli we're going to prepare first of all, and now it is ready. Just transfer it into a sieve and you have to rinse it well. Let it be well rinsed, and while you're doing this, you can just boil some water and then pour the hot water on it and sieve it away immediately. Now add salt into it, and then this is how we're going to leave it till later. That is our fish fillet we'll be using today. Now it's time to season. I'll be using seasoning mixture. I'm using Cameroon pepper, salt, and garlic powder. You can add any other seasoning you're used to at home, no problem. So flip over to the other side and repeat the same process. Just sprinkle all those ingredients at the back of the fish again, and then that's our marinated fish. Keep it for later use. It's now time to fry. Get olive oil or vegetable oil or coconut oil. I'll be using olive oil. Okay, so just a little bit of olive oil in the pot, spread it over, and it's time to fry the fish. We are not deep frying, not too much oil, okay? So fry for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, flip over. And fry for 3 to 4 minutes as well. I'm giving a shout out to Blessing Tadima. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. God bless you. Next video, you might hear your name on this video. I'll be appreciating all my supporters. That is our fried fish. It is now ready, so keep it aside for later use. Now get your olive oil, vegetable or coconut oil. Like I've said, we are using olive oil. A little bit into the pot. Add your diced garlic, sliced onion into it, and fry for 2 minutes. Add the diced carrot into it. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, maize, curry, thyme, Cameroon pepper, seasoning, that's my seasoning cube, ginger powder, salt. That is it. Now stir fry for good 2 minutes. Stir fry all this together for 2 minutes. As you're doing this, the aroma you're having here shows already how yummy it's going to be. It's now time to add the broccoli into it. Add your sliced tomato as well. Add your chopped spring onions, and now give it a good stir again. If you haven't joined Delicious Kitchen, please do so now. Join us today and you'll be happy that you do so. God bless you. Now add the fried fish into it. A little bit of soya sauce. This is optional. If you are not using soya sauce, then you can add just 3 tablespoonfuls of water into it. I'm adding 3 tablespoonfuls of soya sauce into this, and you're gonna love it. So now cover and simmer for 5 minutes on the low heat. Tra-la-la! It is now ready. This looks super yummy. And my guys, lovelies, the aroma here is top notch. You all need to try this. So it's now time to get your spoon again and stir everything together. If you haven't joined Delicious Kitchen, what are you still waiting for? Please join us. Follow, subscribe, like, share. So it's now time to taste for salt and for pepper as well, and adjust to your tastes. This is perfect. So it's now time to serve. Guys, you can eat it like this. If you don't want to add fish, you can just omit the fish and make the vegetable. You can serve it with rice. You can serve it with pasta, with spaghetti, with anything. Or you can eat it like this. It goes well with potato as well. That was rice. That is spaghetti. Thanks for watching. God bless you.